Welcome to RTX 4090 breakdown video. I'm starting with modeling the edges, the outside edges. And then basically I added the vertexes and created basic shape of this metal part. And after that I solidify it and added the array modifier. I created circular boolean modifier to create fan part. After that I arranged the size of the outside edges, resized the inside the metal parts. And lastly, I created the fan. As you can see over there, I have a reference image behind model and I'm following it. I'm keep modeling here, create the outsider parts for the cooling, and for the power plug. I did a small mistake here. I probably should be better to use boolean modifier to create here, but instead of that I did by hand and it is a bit overkilling. So you probably should model it with boolean modifier. So I started the texturing part. I know the color of the outside part. It is a bit the golden brown, and the inside dark metal. This part, the holder part, these are the just shiny metal and very basic materials. You can find it online, And this part should be the rough part because we will stamp the logo on it, so it should be appear. And as you can see here, I'm modeling the power plug part. Creating rough plastic parts with a lot of noise on it. All these plastic parts based on one material, and then I copy it and I customize it by the other parts. And lastly, I'm adding the RTX 4090 logo